I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
Alright, so I'm about to take a trek. Got our first snow. And I want to fly in it. So, it's not safe enough to drive, so I'm walking. And we're about to take this long ass trek to go get this decent footage.
Got to go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has been
Lucky that you
so
dropped in.
very nice.
I will follow you. Rocket League music and snowstorms. And it's cold. And I've walked probably about a mile away from my house. I don't know if you can hear me. I have headphones on. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at. So, yeah. Let's see what we got going. We're here. I've never flown here before, but it's snowing. I know it'll be awesome, and I was glad I could find this little spot to set all my stuff up at. So yeah, feels good. So crazy. Also, I'm on my phone right now if you can't tell. But yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. I'm excited. All right, just plugged in. Yeah, so let's go. Got a little dry area to fly to start from. So, see what we got going. I hear you. Oh man. Alright guys, so that was it. I am freezing, ready to get out of here, but I hope we got some good footage. I hope the snow didn't cover my camera too much. I'm ready to go home and look at this. I'm ready to go home in general because it's cold. It's very cold. So you saw this. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I definitely enjoy this view, this flight. Not so much this weather, but you know what? It's all worth it. You have a good day.